Well, I think I'm going to put those sheets back on the bed that I sewed up and see if they're going to work.
Okay, this was the kitties eating their kitty treats. Like anymore, Boots has figured out what that sound is when I get the kitty treats. So he has to be up here with Skeeter, or else he pushes Skeeter away to get the kitty treats. Trouble is here, Boots is our new kitten. He thinks he's the alpha. And he just runs roughshod over Skeeter. And Skeeter lets him, which doesn't help any. But every now and then Skeeter stands up for himself and bats him in the head. So I know his screen's washing it up. We'll have to see how it comes out later. So this is our new routine. It used to be Skeeter would just get up here and eat his kitty treats all by himself, and now whatever Skeeter does, Boots has to do too. Now, Skeeter usually doesn't finish all his. The Boots does. And all those little pieces that the Skeeter doesn't eat, which he is now, he doesn't usually eat them, Boots cleans them up. And they keep us laughing.
Isn't that something?
Yeah. They keep us laughing.
Was that a good boy?
I got that.
Good. Or was it get out of my face?
Yeah, that's what he does now.
What do you do, Peter, with your leftovers? Hey, don't bite.
No, let him go. Skeeter has to claim his dominance.